Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Imran Ali Rai. Today we are going to learn a few sentences we use in our daily life. कैसे आना हुआ? What brought you here? मैं आपके कैसे काम आ सकता हूँ? How can I be helpful to you? मैं छुट्टी पर जा रहा था. I was going on leave. सोचा जाते जाते आपसे मिल ही लूँ. I thought to meet you while going. क्या लोगे? What would you love? What would you like? What would you take? कुछ नहीं, मैं अभी खाना खा के निकला हूँ. Nothing. I've just come after eating. I've just come after eating. मैं अभी खाना खा के निकला हूँ. चीनी काफ़ी महंगी हो गई है. The sugar rate has jumped so high. शुक्र है, मैं तो कल ही ले आया था. Thanks God, I had brought it yesterday. I'd brought it yesterday. मैं तो कल ही ले आया था. तुम किस दुकान पर जाते हो? Which shop do you go? आप क्या खाते हो खाने में? What do you have in eating? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? आप खाने में क्या खाते हो? मैंने कल नाश्ते में अंडा और पराठा लिया था. I had an egg with paratha yesterday. I had an egg with paratha yesterday. वो काफ़ी परेशान दिखाई देता है. He looks so worried. He looks so worried. अब उसने अपना बिजनेस बदल लिया है. He has changed his business. He has changed his business. वो बिना पैसों के बात भी नहीं करता. He doesn't talk without money. He doesn't talk without money. उसका उठना बैठना बुरे लोगों के साथ है. He is in bad company of people. He is in a bad company of people. वो अब किसी से बात करना भी पसंद नहीं करता. He doesn't like talking to any. He doesn't like talking to any. वो कुछ भी बताना नहीं चाहता. He doesn't want to confess. He does not want to confess. वो कुछ नहीं बताना चाहता. मैं ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do something in life. I'm zealous to do something in life. I'm zealous to do something in life. मैं ये नहीं लूँगा. I won't take it. I won't take it. अब हम दोबारा कभी बात नहीं करेंगे. We won't talk again. We won't talk again. अब हम दोबारा कभी बात नहीं करेंगे. हमारी हर रोज़ बात हुआ करते थे. We used to talk every day. We used to talk every day. अब हम कभी दोबारा बात नहीं करेंगे. We won't talk again. We won't talk again. वो मुझसे बात भी करना पसंद नहीं करता. He does not like talking to me. He doesn't like talking to me. वो कई सालों से पैसे नहीं भेज रहा. He's not sending money for many years. He's not sending money for many years. मेरा इस पर अब कोई जोर नहीं चलता. I can't apply force on him. या फिर he doesn't put me in consideration. He doesn't put me in consideration. वो बहुत अजीब सा हो गया है. He has been so weird. He has been so weird. बहुत ही मज़े का खाना बनाया है आपने. You have cooked tasty food. आपने आज सुबह क्या खाया था? What did you have in your breakfast today? What did you have in your breakfast today? मेरा दिल करता है मैं पूरी दुनिया घूम लूँ. I'm willing to go on world tour. I want to make tour of the world. मेरा चाय पीने को दिल करता है. I'm willing to have tea. I'm willing to have tea. उठने के बाद सबसे पहले मैं चाय पीता हूँ. I take tea after getting up. I take tea after getting up. वो मुझे मिलने के लिए बेताब है. He's dying to meet me. He is dying to meet me. ये आपको नुकसान दे सकता है. This may lead you to loss. This might lead you to loss. इससे आपका कारोबार तबाह हो सकता है. your business might be destroyed. With this, your business might be destroyed. मैं तो उसे सलाह दे रहा था. I was just suggesting her. I was just suggesting her. मैं तो उसे सलाह दे रहा था. मैंने जब उसे तजवीज़ दी. When I proposed her. When I proposed her. उधार मोहब्बत की कैंची है. Lend and lose your friend. Lend and lose your friend. वो चलते चलते गिर जाता है. He falls while walking. He falls while walking. वो जाते जाते हाथ मिलाता है. He shakes hands while leaving. He shakes hands while leaving. वो सोते सोते रोता है. He cries while sleeping. He cries while sleeping. वो रोने के बाद मुझसे बात करता है. He talks to me after crying. वो रोते हुए मुझे बताता है. He tells me while crying. He tells me while crying. वो रोते हुए मुझे बताता है. रोते हुए while crying. रोने के बाद after crying. वो रोने के बाद मुझसे बात करता है. He talks to me after crying. वो रोते हुए मुझे बताता है. He tells me while crying. वो बकरियां चराने के अलावा apart from grazing the goats या फिर besides grazing the goats वो कपड़े भी बेचता है. He trades for clothes. वो सारी रात पढ़ता है. He keeps reading throughout the night. He keeps reading all the night. वो हंसता रहता है. He keeps laughing. वो सोता रहता है. He keeps sleeping. सीधे चलते रहो. Keep going straight. बाएं जानिब मुड़ जाना आगे से. Turn left from there. Turn left from there. That's all for now. Thanks for being with your English.